Get ready to flap your wings and fly into a feathery adventure. There are birds in the sky, birds in the trees, birds everywhere. Can you spot the red ones, the blue ones, the big ones, and the tiny ones? But wait, guess who's flying in to help us read this story? It's our star teacher, dressed like a super silly bird, ready to squat, flap, and chirp along with you. Let's give a big wing flap welcome to Miss Brooke, the yellow birdie. What is a bird? A bird has feathers, a beak, and wings. Some birds fly and some birds don't. Can you flap your wings like a bird? Birds fly high in the sky. They flap, glide, and soar. What color is the sky today? Some birds love water. Ducks and swans can swim and splash. Can you waddle like a duck? Penguins and roadrunners don't fly. They run fast on long legs. Can you run like a bird? Birds build nests with twigs, grass, and feathers. They lay eggs and keep them warm. What would you put in a nest? I would put a tiny blanket for baby birds, a mini pillow made of cotton balls, and a mini umbrella for a rainy day. Chirp, chirp, baby birds are hungry. They open their beaks wide for food. What sound does a baby bird make? Chirp, chirp. Some birds eat seeds. Some eat bugs. Some eat fish or fruit. What do you eat for lunch? I like to have an apple, a sandwich, and a juice for lunch. Birds can be red, blue, green, or yellow, even pink and purple. What's your favorite color bird? My favorite color bird, can you guess? Yeah, it's yellow. Birds sing songs to say hello. Can you whistle or tweet like a bird? What sound can you make?
Tweet, tweet, tweet. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Chirp, chirp, chirp.
Look outside. Do you see a bird? You might see one in a tree, in the sky, or on the ground. Let's go bird watching. Let's say a bird pledge. I am a bird watcher. I listen, I look, I learn. God made all birds, big and small. I promise to be kind to every bird I see. The end.